Hey everyone, welcome to Millennium Computer's online 5-minute tutorial series. Today's course is going to take a quick look at how to start a document in Fast Journal Vouchers, Fast WebRec, or a budget transfer in Fast Budget and Forecasting. Now it works the same way in each application, although how you get to those document pages might look a little bit different. Let's take a look at Fast JV. What I would suggest doing is using the Quick Launch tab. From the Quick Launch tab, you'll see a menu option called Create New Document. The other way to get there is to choose Documents and select New. If you're looking at Fast WebRec, it looks the same. From the Quick Launch tab, select New Requisition. If we're looking at Budget and Forecasting, from the Quick Launch, select Create a New Budget Transfer. In any case, you're always going to get quick and easy access to those key features you use the most often. Let's go back to Journal Vouchers and click Create New Document. Now, whether you're making a document header in Fast WebRec, a Fast Budget Transfer, or a Journal Voucher document, it works pretty much the same way. Fast is always going to notify you when there are mandatory fields. You see those by little red asterisks. In this case, I know that my effective date and my transaction type are mandatory fields. Now, at your institution, you could have more mandatory fields, or you may actually have less. Wherever it says the document ID is optional, it kind of is and it kind of isn't. It's not optional, but you can leave it blank and allow Fast to auto-assign the next number in the sequence. It's going to then always get it right, even if multiple people are creating documents at the same time. Once you've created all the mandatory fields, in this case I've already done that, you can also add descriptive text wherever you have the ability to do that, such as in my JV document header. And you can also add document text. When you're ready to click Create Document, just go ahead and click Create, and it's going to save the header row and open up the next piece of the puzzle. I'm going to keep this example pretty simple. So once you've entered your various accounting lines, you have a couple options. You can go ahead and save, or you can save and add additional line items. I'm just going to save this. Now I have a pretty simple transaction here with a debit line of $100 and a credit line of $100. Notice Fast telling me down here the document is balanced. That's especially important in certain data entry apps. In some cases, you're not able to submit for approval until your document is in balance. And in most cases, you can't submit them to your ERP as a posted transaction until they have been balanced. So keep an eye on that notation. Before you submit, you can also click the paperclip to add additional supporting information. And this allows you to actually upload documents to add additional detail. You can include document notes, and this allows you to actually enter free text notes to include as much extra information as you need. And you can also do some other cool things, like click the cancel button to cancel this document. You can click the copy button, and that allows you to copy it and make a new JV based on the existing information. Now, whether you're working in Fast JV, Fast WebRec, or Budget and Forecasting, when you're done creating the document header and you've entered the number of accounting lines that you want to include, you're ready to click Submit for Approval. Before we do that, I just want to remind you, you can also use the Excel import in any data entry app. This is a quick and easy way to allow you to use a pre-formatted Excel template to include as many accounting lines as you want to without having to key them in manually. For more help on formatting your Excel template and using an Excel import in one of your data entry apps, you want to check out those dedicated tutorials. And in this case, if we're ready to go ahead and submit this for approval, click Submit for Approval. Thanks for joining us, and in the next tutorial, we will take a quick look at how to complete the approval process.